This is how it looks from the outside. It's very sturdy. It's really well built. And it has double doors on the front. You are able to use a padlock to lock it with as an added safety feature. And that's really nice. And it's resin. And as you can see, it's pretty roomy. It goes back pretty deep. I want you to see the floor. The floor is really nice. It's raised up off of the concrete driveway. There is something under this top layer that raises it up, and it's easy to sweep out. And I want you to see the skylights. It's got 6 skylights. So when you come in here to look for something, it's like somebody turned the lights on. It's really nice. This is a really sturdy shed that has survived at least 2 pretty good hurricanes here in Florida.